Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to be showing you a little walkthrough of all the farm animals. I hope you enjoy. First part of the video is going to be fixing this leak because looks like Miss Kaya right there decided that the pool was not enough. Alright, so now that's fixed. We're going to rinse out this pool and their water bowl, which they have another water bowl up there on the patio. Hi, Kaya. She's going through a massive blowout where they shed their coat. Hi, baby. And it just comes out like crazy and sheds. It's summertime and it's in full heat here in Florida. So that's what happens. Bailey, leave her alone. Alright, so we're going to get these water bowls cleaned out and the pool cleaned out. The ducks come over to say hi. There's Lila and all the ducks and my goats. So I'm going to get these bowls cleaned out and I'll see you back in just a minute. Almost done and fill them back up. I get fresh water every day, if not twice a day. Bailey. There's Bailey cooling off in the water. I'm just going to talk about the rest of the animals because everybody is... Oh, we had a little bit of a storm come through and blew down a lot of the trees. A couple of the branches. Got to get that cleaned up. But here's all the ducks. There's 12. There's 10. The other two are somewhere. Oh, right there. Alright, we originally started out with our 4, which is going to be this one here, this one, and, oh, that's all of them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we got 5 other babies, and then I just turned out 3 more. So you can definitely tell these 2, that one, this one, this one, are the smaller of the, excuse me, are the smaller of the group. There's this would you quit eating my phone? Say hello. We have Betty and Butter, and that's Bonnie and Clyde right there. And then this is Lila. Say hi, Lila. Hey, Bailey. Hey, baby. Crazy girl. Crazy girl. She's such a love bug. She wants to be pet all the time. And got their little mud hole filled up. I'm going to put this back in the pool. And then the ducks. This is their drinking bowl here. Stays clean and filled up all the time. And we have right there a big pool for them. It's 8 foot in diameter. And then they've also got little baths over there as well. Alright, so this is where Bailey and Brody and Kaya, this is their little fenced-in area. Sorry, there's toys everywhere. This is their area here. And then the ducks, the 4 goats, and Lila are in this area here. Alright, and then over here we have Daisy and Sadie tucked away in a little hole. But this is their big yard. Alright, it is getting close to feed time. Oh look, there's a little baby lizard. Where'd he go? There he is. Aww, he's so cute. Alright, so it is getting almost feed time. So everybody is going to be everywhere. I'm going to try to do this without everybody freaking out on me. Okay, here's the duck's pool. We got a little ramp for them to walk up in. Hey Lila. This is the goats side of the shelter. This is the hay rack here that my husband built for me, and it's awesome. We just take and drop the flakes of hay down in here, and it falls to the bottom, and they love it. This over here is where we keep the ducks, and there's the opening, and that goes out to the little duck yard where I feed. Right here is where they come in. There's a little hole that makes it to where the ducks can go in, but hello everyone. The ducks can go in, but the pig and the goats cannot. This my dad built for me for the goats, just a little platform for them, but I tried to feed up here on this so Lila would stay out of their feed, but they just pushed each other off of it, so that didn't work out very well. Alright, so now we're going to talk about the goats. This is Butter. He is a wether. He is a twin of Betty, which is this black and white girl. Betty! Betty! Hi! She's got blue eyes. Hers beautiful. Quit eating my phone, babe. So there's Butter and Betty, and there's Clyde and Bonnie, and those are ouch, quit biting. They like to nibble on my legs. Oh, hello. Hello. These are Nigerian dwarfs, and those are supposed to be Nubians. When I got them, they were Nubians. Sold to me as Nubians, but I honestly think they're a mini Nubian because they're about 2 now and they're still quite small. Alright, and the ducks are ready to be fed. Look at this crazy thing. Would you quit? Alright guys, everybody's ready to be fed, so I'm gonna stop the video here as they're jumping all over me. Sweet dang, you're so fat. Gotta get those tree limbs cleaned up soon. But yeah, so that's an overview of like where everybody kind of lives. Oh, and I also brought a bathtub over here. I gotta get a plug for it, and that'll be another thing that they can swim in. There's a green pool that gets emptied out about once a week. Everybody's just following me around. These are Pekin ducks, if anybody was wondering. They are not laying yet. I'm hoping soon we will start getting some eggs. Here's everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. What? Nope, 12. Alright, so everybody is accounted for. I love my ducks so much. They bring me so much joy. They're so fun, and they have such a great personality about them. Oh look, maybe they'll all go in and y'all can see how they get in there. No, maybe not. I love their waddles. Oh, there she goes. She's going in. And the rest will probably follow. 3. Alright, well 3 of them went in. And that's how they get in and out. And they actually sleep in their little shed and run that we have for them. And we're going to extend this down. See if I can get them. Oh, they're swimming in their water right there. Alright, so we're actually going to extend this out. This was just a temporary fence set up for the babies. And then I actually got more, and you know, but this is all the way to that cage. My husband's mowing, so he just threw that up, stood it up real quick. But this is about how big. I'll back up a little bit more. How big the little fenced-in area is. We're actually going to extend it down to this big corner post here, right there. We're going to extend it down there, and that way they'll have enough room. I can actually lock them up at night so they're safe. I definitely don't want to lose any to coyotes and things. Well, hi. Why do y'all have a dog toy out here? I have a goat pawing me. Hey, Bonnie. Hi, Bonnie. Yeah, it's a good baby. She's so sweet. All these goats were bottle babies, too. That's why they're so friendly. You stop it. There's no need to paw. Oh. Oh, hey there. Get out of the camera. Get down. There's Clyde. And Bonnie. And Butter. And Betty. Betty has blue eyes. Her eyes are like glass. They're beautiful. Look. Look how pretty. Yeah. And then Clyde. He's the more distant one. But he was a bottle baby too. Ouch, can you not? They like to lick my legs. And I'll feel their teeth every once in a while. Stop. They're so silly. There's 2 of the babies that I just turned out. Alright guys. Look at your leg. You're so silly. Mommy around. Oh hey, be nice. Come on. Come on. Here comes the ducks. Bonnie. Here's Lila. Guys, I hope you liked the video. Like and comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you next time. Bye.